LOFI is down with 75%, so some of you are maybe worried what happened. So in this video I want to talk about what happened with the huge dump, as you can see in this chart. 75%. Is the team selling or not? Is there something else that just happened? I want to highlight the most important topics about this project because I really love the project. The designs are amazing. The community is super active and overall they're doing great things for the Sui ecosystem. So guys, this is the LOFI project, and as you can see, it launched on the 26th of February earlier this year, and it reached an all-time high of a market cap of around 72 million. It is insane. And yeah, like 72 million is a very nice market cap, as you can see here. And still, we see that the market cap is sitting at 60 million. But is this correct? So first of all, this is not correct. So what happens is, if we scroll down, we see that there was a sell order of $590,000. But now you may be wondering, who sold that much of money? So for that, I want to show you the following. There was recently an exploit of a platform called Sato's protocol, and multiple projects got dumped by the hacker. So what exactly happened there? It was yesterday, Sato's protocol was exploited by a smart contract vulnerability. The attacker managed to manipulate the protocol's liquidity mechanism, and approximately $220 million worth of assets are impacted by this hack. 160 million of these funds were quickly frozen and secured thanks to the rapid coordination between the Sato's team and the validators, and roughly 60 million is still unrecovered. But if we take a look at the price of LOFI on the centralized exchanges, it is still at $45 million market cap, and 45 million is around this yellow line. So we see that the price isn't that much affected. Yes, of course, on the DEX, but still the liquidity pool is 750k. It is still a lot. And beside that, on exchanges, the price is still normal. And then you may be thinking, hey, but if the price is lower on a decentralized exchange, can I buy there? So the answer on that question is no, because you can see the 22nd of May at 1 o'clock was the latest trade. So it is not possible to trade anymore for this price right now. And we can see that this is the current price. So still, of course, with this happening, it is still normal that people are maybe fearful. They are selling their tokens and stuff like that. But beside that, LOFI looks still great, and I think personally this can be a good buy opportunity to buy at this level, because some of you who are watching right now sold their tokens in panic. Maybe outside of the video who are watching are selling in panic, and which results in a nicer price for the other people who are not fearful. Let's take a look at the LOFI Twitter page. Is there something else that we can mention? So 21st of May, retweet. So the LOFI Twitter page, we can see that 50 Sui is donated for the LOFI Foundation. The guys are helping people, as you can see. Through fans of us, who happens to be an exponential crypto educator and humanity, we are proud to support the people of Pakistan. And we can see our goal is to raise $20,000 that will support the creation of 4 solar-powered water facilities. And I love when projects are using their community or outside, there's maybe some money for helping other people. And we can see that they're doing great things for the people in other countries. More people are supporting. LOFI designs are on point. Is there anything else that we need to check out? 21 May. So about the hack, it's not a post on Twitter, but inside Telegram we can find an update, and we can see that the guys tell about the Sato's hack. They organized an AMA to explain everything, so this is very nice because people have questions, and when people can ask questions like that, they are like more willing to open to listen and stuff like that. So they did a great job with handling this stuff. Beside that, there is also a very big update in the LOFI Telegram. They said like, hey guys, quick update, been super busy in New York City networking with people for LOFI. And he said like, hey, I meet the mayor of New York City, Eric Adams, and I also met with his CTO, when I tell you that both are loving the idea of the LOFI Foundation. So somehow they're exploring how they can help each other with the LOFI project. Beside that, we are still finishing our tech integration for the LOFI Legend site. So many things are coming. I would love to make more videos about LOFI. So if you are here watching right now and you think like, hey, I want to see more videos about LOFI, you are a community member of LOFI, you want to stay up to date about the latest things, click the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about LOFI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.